Are you tired of spending money every month at the salon for your nails? Let me show you how to get salon quality results at home with just a few simple steps and the right products. For today's video I'll be using the Manucurist Green Flash, and I will also share my honest thoughts about their products. Let's start with a bit about Manucurist and my experience with them. They are a French brand that makes clean, non-toxic nail products, and I discovered their Green Flash LED nail polish about 2 years ago. I had heard about them before but never tried their products, so I was super curious, especially because they say their LED nail polishes are a gel alternative made with up to 90% plant-based ingredients, and they are HEMA-free. They offer over 50 shades, they dry instantly, and they last up to 10 days. And honestly, back then I really needed a break from salon gel manicures. I had been getting them every month for 3-4 years, and I didn't even realize how much they were damaging my nails, or how much I was spending. My nails are always on camera in my videos, so I wanted them to look good. But once I stopped getting gels and switched to Green Flash, I could finally see how thin and weak my nails had become. Since then, my nails have gotten stronger, healthier, and they grow longer than ever. I used to struggle with growing my nails, but not anymore. What I also love about the Green Flash range is that you can buy a full starter kit. It includes everything you need: the LED lamp, acetone, clips, base coat, top coat and color polish. And it's honestly super easy to use. All you need is a bit of free time and a tutorial like this one. Prep time. I always start by prepping my nails. First, remove any old nail polish. In this video, I'm removing a regular polish from their active range in the shade Grape, because it actually helps my nails grow faster. It's more of a nail treatment. To remove it, I'm using the Green Nail Polish Remover, which is made for their natural green range. This polish is air dry and don't need a lamp. And this remover is super nourishing and leaves your nails shiny. You can also use their Green Flash Remover, which is more versatile. It works with the Green Flash LED Gel polishes, the Green Natural polishes and the active range. Now, before applying anything, I prep the nails properly. One step I never skip is using a cuticle softener. It's a game changer, especially if your cuticles get dry or rough. This one has a gel texture that gently softens the skin so you can easily push it back. Just apply it around the cuticles, wait 2 minutes, and then use a pusher to gently push them back. Wash your hands after this step to remove any residue. Then I file my nails to shape and smooth the edges. Now for the fun part, applying the polish. I start with the base coat. This is so important because it protects your nails and helps the color stick better. I apply a thin layer and cure it under the LED lamp for 2 minutes. The LED lamp that comes with the kit is really easy to use. It has buttons with present times. 1 minute for base, 1 minute for color and 2 minutes for top coat. But honestly, I cure every layer, base, color and top for 2 minutes, just to be sure it's fully dry. I always do for fingers first and leave the thumb for last to make sure it dries evenly. Next is time for color. I couldn't wait to try this bright pink neon shade called Pop. It's perfect for summer. They have over 50 shades to choose from, so you'll definitely find something you love. Here is how I apply it. The brand says to apply it in a thin layer, but I found that using a slightly larger amount helps apply it more evenly. Not too much, just enough to cover the nail smoothly. After the first coat, cure for 2 minutes. Then apply a second coat and cure again. If you want an even stronger finish, you can add a third coat. Just make sure to cure each layer for 2 minutes. Finally, let's seal everything with a top coat. This step adds a beautiful shine and helps your manicure last longer. Apply a good amount, cure for 2 minutes and you are done. And here are the final results. I love how this color looks. So bright, summery and fun. It honestly looks like a professional salon manicure, but done right at home. Of course, I couldn't resist using it for my pedicure too, for the full mani-pedi look. And the bonus tip, removal is super easy. After 10 days on your hands or even up to a month on your toes, you can remove the polish in just a couple minutes. Soak half of a cotton pad in acetone, place it over your nail, secure it with a clip and wait 1-2 minutes. As you'll see, it comes off really easily without damaging your nails. I have to say I'm really impressed with Manicurist. The application is easy once you learn the steps, the LED lamp works great and the results are beautiful. Plus, it feels good knowing the products are made with natural ingredients. And that's it guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you have tried Manicurist, let me know what you think. Also, if you're planning to try them or want to restock, don't forget to use my code Cristina Beauty for 15% off at Manicurist US and UK. Just keep in mind the code might change over time, so check the description box for the latest update. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!